Hey everybody, Cole here with Classic Mini DIY, and thank you so much for joining me on this special announcement episode. On today's episode, I want to tell you guys about a new giveaway that is going to be running from the moment this video goes live until the end of July. And that giveaway is the Classic Mini YouTubers giveaway sponsored by P&L Minis. Now this giveaway is a little different than anything I've done before, and it's different in that this giveaway is being run by multiple mini YouTubers all at the same time. So the mini YouTube community is a tight-knit community. Most of us know each other and talk to each other on a regular basis. And we got together, had a little powwow, that one's for you, Alex, and we decided, why don't we all contribute a little money, create a little pool, and give away a gift card to a mini parts supplier. And as we were planning this, we spoke with P&L Minis, and they thought this was a really cool idea, so they tossed a little cash in as well, and we will be giving away a $600 US gift card to P&L Minis, which can be won by anybody in the world, and the link to sign up for this giveaway is in the description below. So the way that this giveaway is a little bit different, as I said, is that multiple YouTubers are going to be running the same giveaway at the same time. And it's all about sharing the love between all the different sizes of Classic Mini YouTuber channels out there. So we have channels on this giveaway, anywhere from 100 subscribers all the way up to 13,000 subscribers. And entering in is pretty simple. If you head to the link below, you can see there's a few daily entries by visiting some of our channels on a regular basis, visiting the P&L website on a regular basis, as well as going and considering subscribing to our channels on YouTube. So if you like this, if you like the giveaway and you're interested in signing up, links in the description, and it would mean the world to me if you would consider subscribing to all of the mini YouTubers who are participating in this giveaway, because we all put a little bit of our hard-earned cash on here so that you guys could win a nice big gift card to help complete any mini project that you might have going on. So that's the announcement. A huge shout out to P&L Minis for sponsoring this giveaway. Thank you so much for contributing to this, and a mega huge shout out to all of the mini YouTubers who are participating. They're all awesome guys, have really great channels and great content. So good luck on the giveaway, and you'll probably hear a little bit more about this a few more times throughout the month, and best of luck. I'll see you on the next episode.